Hello friends, and welcome to Storytime with Miss MacIntosh. Today's story we're going to read is something I've read to you before, where it's the same little girl, and the clue I'm going to give you is the color of my shirt. So see if you can figure out what book I'm going to read to you today. Okay, no shouting out. Shh. So I've read Pinkalicious and Goldalicious and even Silverlicious. Now, take a look at my shirt. What color is it? Oh, it's purple. So today we are reading Purplicious. Looks like she's going to do some painting. Let's see what she's going to be up to. Let's find the first page. I was in art class painting a picture. Looks like she's using her favorite color, pink. What are you painting? Asked Kendra. A picture of a sunset, I said. Ugh, it's so ugly. Pinkalicious, why does everything you paint have to have pink in it? Asked Tara. Because pink is my favorite color, I answered. Don't you know pink is passé? Passé is French for over, said Brittany. The new color is black. All the girls like black now. All their paintings are in black. It is okay for Pinkalicious to still like pink? Yes. We can like any color that we like. There are no girl colors, no boy colors. All right, let's see what they're going to do. Black is in, said Beatrice during recess. Pink is putrid, announced Pauline while dangling from the monkey bars. Yeah, pink stinks, added Sophia. Are they being very nice friends? On the bus ride home from school, no one would sit with me. Pink is for babies and little girls. We aren't going to be friends with a baby, taunted Tiffany. You don't have to be a baby or a little girl to like the color pink. Pink is for everyone. Even my brother likes pink. How funny. A boy who likes pink? Everyone on the bus laughed. Isn't it time you moved beyond pink? Is it okay for boys to like pink? Yeah. And it's okay if Pinkalicious likes pink too. Because everybody has different colors that they like. After school, no one would play princess with me. I went to my room and counted all my pink things. I had a pink phone, a pink crayon, a pink piggy bank, pink underwear, a pink tiara, even a giant pink bunny. I had more than 100 pink possessions. The only black thing I had was an ugly plastic spider left over from Halloween. I wrote with my pink pen in my pink diary. There she is, and there's her brother. That week, after the girls teased me in school, I wrote in my diary every day. Then I cried into my pink hanky. Tuesday, I am who I am and I like pink. Wednesday, she wrote, pink makes me happy, but mean girls make me sad. Thursday, she wrote, pink is a lonely color. And by Friday, she said, pink has no purpose. Oh, she's starting to change her mind about what pink is. Let's see what will happen. On Saturday, Mommy, Daddy, Peter, and I went to get ice cream to cheer me up. Oh, she's wearing a blue dress. Does she look happy now? No. Pinkalicious, what would you like? Asked Mr. Swizzle. Magenta mint mango, or perhaps you would enjoy pink passion fruit paradise. Today's special flavor is pleasing pomegranate punch. No thanks. I'll have vanilla. I sighed, looking around to see who might see me from school. How about you, Peter? Would you like the usual plum pink perfection? Yes, yes. Thank you, said Peter. You're such a baby, Peter. Pink ice cream is for sissies, I said. Uh-oh. Mommy and Daddy look very happy. And now Pinkalicious is saying not very nice things to her brother. Pinkalicious, aren't you going to eat your ice cream? Asked Mommy. Well, I'm actually not that hungry. The ice cream tasted bland to me. I couldn't possibly eat it. She didn't like vanilla. Pinkalicious has the blues, Daddy said that night, when I wouldn't play ping pong with him. What does it mean when you have the blues? I asked. It means you feel sad. Why do you feel sad? No one will play with me because I like the color pink. All the girls like the color black now, and I don't. Are you sure all the girls like black? Maybe there's other kids who like pink. Everyone hates pink. You don't know anything. I screamed, running for my room. There she goes. I'm the only one in the whole wide world who likes pink. I'm all alone. No one understands me, I said to myself. She's very sad. On Monday, I noticed a girl in art class. She was painting a beautiful picture. What are you painting? I asked. It's a picture of a cake, but the blue frosting doesn't look right. I think I need some pink, and then it will be perfect. Really? I asked. You like pink? Don't you think pink is for babies? Pink is perfect, she answered. Watch this, and you'll see why. She mixed the pink paint into the blue, and the frosting turned purple. Pink is powerful, she said. Look, it turned blue into purple. Purple is pretty, I said. Oh, she's mixing the colors together. Not just pretty, it's purplicious. So now she's happy again. She found a new friend who likes pink. So it wasn't very nice that all those girls made fun of her because she likes the color pink. It's okay to like something different from everybody else. Because if you asked all your friends, I'm sure they would all like different colors. Some people like pink, some people like blue, some people like yellow. And that's okay to be different. But we always have to be nice to each other and say nice things. So we're trying to remember that. All right, I hope you enjoyed our story. And I'll see you next time for Story Time with Miss MacIntosh. Bye-bye, friends.